Hello Sewing Bees, I'm Sookie and welcome to the Sookie Bee Academy. I'm so excited to introduce you to the Catherine Crazy Quilt Serger Tray Liner, a project that brings creativity and precision together in the most beautiful way. Whether you're a beginner with an overlocker that can handle a 2-thread flatlock wide, or an experienced sewer looking to explore new techniques, this project is perfect for mastering your serger. With this project and video course, you'll discover how easy and rewarding it is to create a crazy quilt using your serger. With 3 pages of detailed instructions, including lots of graphics, plus 13 high-definition videos, you'll have over 2 hours of education at your fingertips. With lifetime access and the ability to stop and start and replay at any time. You'll learn my special cotton candy stitch, a unique combination of a 2-thread flatlock wide with multiple threads in the lower looper and a few stitch adjustments. This stitch adds a beautiful decorative touch to your project, making it truly one of a kind. And the best part? You can customize your tray liner in any geometric shape or size with perfectly finished edges. I'll guide you through various pressing methods, share tips on using different types of decorative threads, how to finish the corners professionally, and discuss additional stitch options. Plus, in the bonus section, I'll cover thread brands and thread stand options to help you get the best results. So whether you're just starting out with your serger or looking to expand your skills, this project and video course has everything you need to create a stunning Crazy Quilt Tray Liner. I can't wait to see what threads and materials you use. Let's make something beautiful together. And until I see you next time, I hope you have a creative day. Bye-bye!